Welcome back. Today let us learn how to make negative sentences in present continuous. Present continuous tense talks about the activities which is going on at the time of speaking. Present continuous negative talks about the activities which is not going on at the time of speaking. Okay, see here. With I you use am not, short form apostrophe am not. With he she it you use is not, short form is isn't or apostrophe is not. With we you they you use are not, either aren't or apostrophe are not. So thereafter verb in ing form we have to use. So let's learn through examples. Here see, I am not watching TV. So now I am not watching TV. See, he is not watching TV. Now right now he is not watching TV. He may be doing something else. We are not watching TV. Now we are not watching TV. We are speaking. We are speaking or we are reading a book, like that. We are not watching TV. See, I am not reading a book. Now I am not reading a book. I am speaking. Okay. She isn't reading a book. She is not reading a book. She may be doing something else. You aren't reading a book. So with what you have to observe here, you see, with I am using am not. With he and she, I am not using is not. See here what happens, this has two different short forms. Isn't also, apostrophe s also, and this is full form. I used these three forms also in the example sentences so that you will not confuse. Okay, and here also are not full form, aren't apostrophe are not is there. I have used three forms also in the example sentence so that you understand well. Okay, see, take a look at the third example. I am not listening to music. He is not listening to music. They are not listening to music. Means they are not doing that activity now. Okay. And easy. I am not working. It is not working. We are not working. You see here. I am not talking to you. Rakesh is not talking to Ramesh. You are not talking to me. I am not swimming in the river. Means this all telling about what we are not doing now. Okay. I am not swimming in the river. Lata is not swimming in the river. The children are not swimming in the river. Here what happens? Instead of they, I used the children. So they are not. So I used aren't. Short form I used. They aren't swimming in the river. See. I am not riding a bike. The bike is not moving fast. So with I am not in all sentences, I used am not only. Here the bike is there. The bike means it. So with it we use is not or isn't or. So that's why the bike apostrophe is not. This short form I used. The bike is not moving fast. We are not riding bikes. See, with we I used are not. Or this one short form I used. We are not riding bikes. So I am trying to explain. Sanjay, I am not trying to explain. I am not trying to explain. Sanjay is not trying to explain. You are not trying to explain. See, this is what they are not doing now. I am not speaking in English. Sahana is not speaking in English. They aren't speaking in English. I am not learning AI. He is not learning AI. The employees are not learning AI. So, in all these sentences, what you need to remember is, see, with all sentences which begin with I used am not. Okay, am not. Short form apostrophe am not. Okay, and with all the sentences which begins with he, she, it. Here Sanjay, Sahana also there, no? That is all she. Instead of pronoun, I used noun here. Sahana also she, Sanjay he, and Sahana she. I used pronoun. So with he, she, it, we use is not. Okay, short forms you remember. Thereafter we, you, they, we use are not. See, with all these pronouns and nouns, I used are not, or and short forms. So what this actually tells? So these activities are not going on right now. Okay, at the time of speaking, these activities are not going on. This is how you make a present continuous negative. Okay, all you need to remember is your the rules. Okay, how we use this tense formulas you have to remember. I am not verb ing. He, she, it is not verb ing. We, you, they are not verb ing. If this short forms you remember and study these examples, I hope you will be able to make similar sentences easily in English. Okay. I hope this video is helpful to you. Okay, practice this, and if you like this video, share this video with those who are in need of it. Okay, and subscribe to my channel. That will encourage me to make more videos like this. So I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.